concerned Nigerians for Peace, Security and National Unity have staged a protest at the National Assembly gate in Abuja, condemning rising insecurity, kidnappings and killings nationwide. The demonstrators called on the federal government and lawmakers to act decisively, with Convener Isah Abubakar urging the passage of stronger laws to combat terrorism and violent crimes, coinciding with the National Assembly's sitting on constitutional matters.
People affected are Nigerians. The banditry are not selective. Are they selective?
No.
Do they care about your religion?
No.
Do they care about your tradition?
No.
Do they care about your tribe?
No.
Do they care about your political party?
No.
It is something that affects us across religion and political life. It is our responsibility as citizens to call on the attention of those responsible for protecting lives and property that enough is enough. That enough is enough. That enough is enough. It is time to give us security. It is time to protect lives and property. It is time to protect children. It is time to protect women from being raped, from people that do not even know what they are doing in the name of terrorism. I want to use this medium to call on Mr. President to mandate all his ministers, to mandate all top appointed governmental officials to go back to their community and keep their community safe first. Because it's like Abuja has become a hidden place for all of them. They don't even go home. So why would they even know what is going on?
Stakeholders called on the government to fulfill its constitutional responsibility of protecting lives and property. They urge authorities to prioritize the welfare and security of citizens and intensify efforts to combat criminal elements threatening national stability.
The bandit has over us is because they are with AK-47. Just as the comrade said, even if you have a state police today and you do not arm them properly, it is still a waste of time. Just as it's happened in Kwara State, where the bandit disarmed the forest guard and went with their bike because they were not properly armed. And that's why we advocated that in creating the police, state police, forest guard, the proper training should be there, and they should work together with other security agencies over who is who, so that the arms shouldn't get into the wrong hand. Our voice must be heard, because their own strategies has not been effective. If it's been effective for that, if it has been effective, there would have been security today. We are here because the insecurity persisting, and that's why we are saying it's not all of us. It's not one man business. You see something, you say something, and you do something. And when we say something, it's left for the government to act.
The protesters maintain that unity among Nigerians and decisive government action remain critical to overcoming the country's security challenges.